Meditation is a habitual process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. The popularity of meditation is increasing as more people discover its many benefits. Here are 9 of them, so like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Let's begin. Being mindful means that you are more aware of your thoughts and your action in general. Meditation offers you the time to reflect on your thoughts and focus mainly on your breathing or some other aspect of your being. You also can use mantra. It gives you the awareness to refocus your mind on the present moment as opposite to the past or the future. When you are stressful, meditation is one of the best things you can use to lower your stress level. Use deep inhales and exhales to refocus your attention on being in the moment. The stress isn't going to go automatically, but you will observe a transformation in the amount of stress you accumulate. I think it's safe to say that, like most people, you desire more control over your emotions. When you are happy, you want to express those emotions freely. At the same time, you may want to express emotion of anger, sadness, and grief, but under your own control. Learn how to react skillfully in stressful situations by taking the time to simply observe what the mind is doing. Meditation gives you the opportunity to do this. The more you meditate, the more you will notice the thoughts and actions that trigger the emotion you might not find desirable. When we have two important options to choose, we're asking for advice in a few people or gives our emotional choice. You should be completely calm and mind-free to think about and make the best decision. We live in a rush. We want to do more, to earn more, to speak more. But sometimes we forget how to live. Sometimes we forget a really important thing what matters for us. Just be in silence a few minutes. You will learn something new through meditation. Meditation is a skill, and like any skill, it takes much practice and concentration. It is always beneficial to introduce more useful skills into your life. Learning how to meditate is useful for the development of your mind. Who doesn't want to be happier and feel more contentment with life? Meditating consistently is a great way to open up your eyes to your life and really experience all that life has to offer. It will help you appreciate life more and feel more connected with the world you live in. You don't need money for this. Everyone can do it, from child to adult. Find a place that is comfortable for you to meditate. Some people use a quiet space at home or in the office. You can meditate outside in a nature as well. Look for a place that is inviting and calm, and make that your spot. If you like this video, click the like button and leave a comment what would you like to see next time. If you dislike it, write down how I can make it better. See you soon!